Arthritis is a condition that leads to pain and inflammation of the joints. Several herbs can help manage this pain. Arthritis is one of the common causes of pain in joints and bones. The disease affects several in India and is characterized by stiffness in joints and bones, inflammation, and pain. Arthritis can make it difficult for a person to perform day-to-day activities, as the condition restricts the mobility of joints. Simple tasks such as sitting or bending also become painful due to arthritis. A lot of precautions have to be taken by a person suffering from arthritis so that the pain and swelling can be minimized. According to nutritionist Loveneet Batra, making the right changes in your diet and lifestyle can help get relief from arthritis-related pain. Certain herbs can be used to tackle arthritis pain. The nutritionist says that osteoarthritis, OA, and rheumatoid arthritis, RA, are the most common types of arthritis that cause severe joint pain. Living with arthritis and bearing all the swelling and pain in joints is not easy. The movement restriction and unbearable pain can make everyday tasks difficult for arthritis patients. Fortunately, dietary changes can significantly reduce inflammation and help in managing the disease. Herbs might help. 1. Aloe vera. The nutritionist shares that aloe vera has anti-inflammatory properties and can help alleviate joint pain. The gel found in aloe vera is loaded with anthraquinones that are said to be effective in improving the condition. 2. Turmeric. Turmeric is another herb you should include in your diet to manage arthritis. Its main ingredient is curcumin, which can provide relief from pain and reduce inflammation. 3. Thyme. Thyme can also be used to deal with arthritis. It too has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties and can be effective in managing the disease. 4. Ginger. Commonly used in Indian households, ginger can be used to ease arthritis pain. It has the ability to suppress inflammatory molecules called leukotriene. Ginger can also synthesize prostaglandins that are behind the pain you experience in arthritis. 5. Garlic. An anti-inflammatory compound called diallyl disulfide is found in garlic, which helps suppress the effects of pro-inflammatory cytokines.